Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the KEFEYA laptop screen extender, a 15.6-inch portable monitor that adds two FHD 1080p displays to your laptop, transforming it into a powerful triple-screen mobile workstation. If you want massive productivity gains on the go, this one delivers. Let me break down the specs. It features two 15.6-inch IPS panels with 1920 by 1080 resolution, 300 nits brightness, 1000 to 1 contrast ratio, and 178 degrees viewing angles. The 120% sRGB color gamut delivers vibrant, accurate colors ideal for creative professionals. The detachable design offers over 11 DIY configurations with 235 degrees rotation for flexible viewing in landscape or portrait mode. It connects via USB-C, USB-A, or HDMI with plug-and-play simplicity, no drivers needed for most systems. The built-in speakers add convenience, and the leather carrying bag ensures easy transport. It fits laptops from 13 to 17.3 inches and comes in a sleek silver-white finish weighing 2.39 kilograms. Real-world reviews praise its easy setup, excellent build quality, and sharp display with true-to-life colors. Users love the ability to code, trade stocks, or multitask with 3 screens simultaneously, boosting productivity significantly. The rotation mechanism works smoothly, and the magnetic cover keeps screens secure when folded. Some users note that modern MacBooks with M-series chips may require a separate H5T adapter for full functionality. The included power adapter is recommended when using HDMI connections to ensure stable performance. If you want a versatile, high-quality portable monitor extender for serious multitasking on the move, the KEFEYA 15.6-inch delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.